Good evening and welcome to the Crumb on Blue Roan. Today we are going to be harvesting potatoes. Now I will say I read on the internet anyway, that these are supposed to flower. But our potatoes did not flower and started to die back. So we wanted to test out, we had 3 buckets of bucket potatoes and see how many potatoes we were successful with. We have emptied one of the buckets into our wheelbarrow, and my son Tate and I are gonna work to see how many potatoes that we get. Okay? Looks like that was our seed potato there, but that's a potato. That is a potato. And look at this guy. That's a potato. We have never grown potatoes before. And so we're not really sure exactly how many potatoes we're supposed to get. We're learning. But this is 1 5-gallon bucket haul of potatoes. And here are all of the tubers. I have to say that I am quite excited about the tubers that are coming out of here. And my husband and I will record all 3 buckets and weigh our haul. Here we go. Here's some beautiful, beautiful potatoes. Nice sized potatoes. And we will weigh our haul and see exactly how many potatoes we're getting out of these buckets. I want to say thank you to Hollis and his wife for showing me how to make bucket potatoes. And I'm going to give a major shout out to them on this video. See you later. I don't know if I'll get as much.
Ooh, we found a potato.
That's a seed potato. Tate, pull that out.
That's a what potato?
That's a seed potato.
So let me guess, it's kind of like a bad potato.
Oh my gosh, shut it down. Look at that.
She's the one touching the potatoes.
You have gloves for a reason.
She's the one touching the potatoes. She can't get those two.
You're supposed to touch
These flipping potatoes. Look.
Wait.
At these.
Potato chips come from potatoes, right? I love potatoes.
Tegan, can you get me some gloves?
Tate, we did a great job.
Tate's using all of them.
And Tyson. The sprinkler system did the watering.
Tegan, get me gloves.
Isn't
I
that
need
crazy?
gloves. You like your balls.
Okay, Tate. That is Tate, you are absolutely right. Tate he's the one who told me, look at the size of this joker. Oh. Tate was the one who told me that I needed to stop watering them because they were gonna rotten my good potatoes. That's a seed potato. Next year, or next time, I would say that's
Wasn't
not
I
bad.
right about the flower?
Yes, you were. He said they didn't have to flower. He said they did not have to flower.